Okay, so we are at week 11, assignment 3. It is our vocabulary week. So if you go to assignment 3, here's the video you're watching. Then if you go here to the actual assignment, it says study the vocabulary using the links. You only get one chance. You do not get retakes. Okay, so just in case you don't know, you can highlight this, right click and say go to, and then it will show up. Okay, so if you go down here to list of terms, here are all of the terms and definitions. Then you can, this one is a little bit different. It's not Hangman this week. If you click on it, you're going to play Battleship. Hopefully you guys remember how to play or you've played Battleship, but it's basically a grid system. And so if you get this, if you click on Adobe Flash Player, it should come up like this, or sometimes it comes up here and says plugin blocked. Okay, so you can click on that one too, but if you can get it to say allow, that's fine. There is no HTML version of this, so if you cannot get Flash to play, you will only be able to do the other one, the first one that I showed you. Okay, once you are ready, you are going to go down to the actual quiz. It's a little bit different this week. But basically you are going to read the sentence. It's actually the definition, and then you go to the drop down and you put in whatever word you think matches that the best. And then when you're done, you can go to next, and it will take you all the way to the end, and then you can submit it. As always, if you have any questions, you can message me or get a hold of me, and I'm here to help you. Have a great day.